Welcome to Vacuum Wars' ultimate guide to the best robot vacuums of 2025. We buy and test every model ourselves, over 150 so far, so our picks are based on real data, not marketing claims. Each robot is scored using the same Vacuum Wars methodology for a fair, apples-to-apples comparison. Whether you want powerful suction, smart mapping, auto-emptying, or great value, these are the top performers you can trust. Finding the perfect robot vacuums can be overwhelming with so many options available, each offering unique features, benefits, and price points. To make your decision easier, I've done extensive research, analyzed countless reviews, and curated a list of the best robot vacuums trusted brands. These products are specifically chosen to help people like you find comfort and support. For pricing and additional details, don't forget to check the description below. Now let's dive straight into the video. Number 1. Roborock Q10 S5 Plus. The Roborock Q10 S5 Plus is a robot vacuum/mop combo equipped with 10,000 pascals hyperforce suction, a dual anti-tangle system, jaw scrapers comb, main brush plus anti-tangle side brush, and the Vibrorise 2.0 mopping system that combines dual-zone sonic vibrations, up to 3,000 scrubs/min, and auto-lifting for carpets, with ultrasonic detection to avoid wetting rugs. Navigation uses precise sense LiDAR mapping and reactive tech obstacle avoidance, supporting multi-level mapping. It features a self-emptying Rock Dock Plus with a 2.7L dust bag, designed to hold up to 7 weeks of debris. Other functions include smart carpet boost, app-based scheduling, no-go zones, off-peak charging, and child lock controls. The device runs on a 5,200 mAh lithium-ion battery, with Roborock's internal testing indicating up to 250 minutes of runtime. Number 2. Eufy E25 Omni. The Eufy E25 Omni is a robot vacuum/mop combo that combines 20,000 pascals turbo suction with a roller-based hydrojet mopping system for simultaneous, all-in-one floor care. It uses a dual water reservoir and scraper mechanism to constantly refresh its roller mop, while a self-emptying, self-washing Omni station handles dust collection, mop cleaning, hot air drying, and automatic detergent refills. Navigation relies on LiDAR mapping plus RGB camera obstacle recognition, and it features duo spiral anti-tangle brushes, a corner rover arm for edge coverage, and app-controlled cleaning with zone and no mop restrictions. Its suction can adapt to surfaces up to roughly 1-inch carpet pile, and the base's 3L dust bag supports around 75 days of use. The robot also has a 2.5L clean water tank, 1.8L dirty water tank, and runs for about 110 minutes in combined vacuum and mop mode, or up to 216 minutes vacuum only in standard mode. Number 3. Ecovacs X8 Pro Omni. The Ecovacs Deebot X8 Pro Omni robot vacuum and mop combines high suction power with instant, self-cleaning mopping to minimize maintenance and keep floors free of dirt, debris, and hair. Its 18,000 pascal suction lifts particles with ease, while Zero Tangle 2.0 helps prevent clogs. The extended OZMO roller mop self-rinses in real time, reducing the risk of spreading dirt or leaving streaks. AIVI 3D 3.0 and efficient path planning ensure precise obstacle detection and edge-to-edge cleaning, including deeper carpet care. The compact OMNI station automates refilling, hot water washing, hot air drying, and solution dispensing, keeping the mop fresh for up to 150 days with minimal upkeep. YKOGPT enhances interaction by recognizing voice or text commands, while the slim design and embedded LiDAR support navigation in tight spaces. Matter compatibility arrives via OTA, offering streamlined control and integration with various smart home systems. Number 4. Roborock Qrevo S5V. We found the Roborock Qrevo S5V to be a strong value option when it's on sale, delivering excellent results in carpet deep cleaning, pet hair pickup, and mopping that outperformed many competitors in our tests. However, we also noted clear drawbacks. Its obstacle avoidance was poor, its airflow and suction bench scores were average to below average, the dust bin is smaller than most, and the app felt buggier and more limited than Roborock's higher-end models. Overall, we think the Qrevo S5V is one of the best value robots in its class when purchased at a discount. Number 5. Mova P10 Pro Ultra. The Mova P10 Pro Ultra stands out as a strong mid-range contender. Its 13,000 pascals turbocharged suction and multi-level LiDAR mapping handle dust, debris, and pet hair on hard floors and carpets, while the all-in-one dock automatically empties the bin, refills water, adds cleaning solution, washes and heat dries the mop pads, and self-cleans its washboard. The mop lifts 10.5 millimeters to stay clear of carpets, and an RGB camera plus 3D structured light sensor can recognize up to 70 obstacle types, even in low light. With a flex reach extending side brush for corners, pet care monitoring, and Hey Mova voice control, the P10 Pro Ultra delivers flagship-level conveniences at a mid-range price, making it a compelling option for mixed-floor homes and pet owners. That's it for today. I create helpful videos like this every day, so make sure to subscribe to my channel for more. If you're looking for additional details or want to check the product prices, you'll find all the information in the description. Have questions or need assistance? Feel free to drop a comment below. Stay tuned for more amazing products to make your life easier.